Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Laksh.
Ma'am, I am the first one to enter the class.
Yes, that's so good. Now see, everyone is coming. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Beta Utkarsh.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Who is this Sunita Sharma?
Ma'am, Ayushi.
Rename yourself. Yes, rename.
Ma'am, CN section is not coming. Most students.
What is
Ma'am,
not?
CNB.
What?
Ma'am,
They,
CNB students are not coming. Not even student.
they will come. They will come. See, now everyone is joined.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon. Good afternoon.
Ma'am, I am not able to open the camera today. Ma'am, is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. I will also.
Ma'am, because ma'am, from the first period, ma'am, there's something network
Also
issue.
happening with me from the first period.
Fine. You can say since the first lecture I am facing problem. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Since the first lecture.
Right.
Ma'am, I have a
Agree?
request. Ma'am, I have a request from you.
Yes, you have a request.
Ma'am, if our test copies are checked, so ma'am, can you please tell the marks?
Ma'am,
Beta, before I tell the marks, I would like to tell you your mistakes. Right?
Yes, ma'am, why not? Ma'am,
Excuse
we
me,
want to
ma'am.
know.
Because if we work on our mistakes in future, we won't be able to do those same mistakes, no?
ma'am, geography part is of I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
14.
It is 14 marks. 1 for 14.
Ma'am, today Payal ma'am is saying that students of some classes are got heart attack.
Why?
Ma'am, like that only. Ma'am, she said that you got 12 marks out of 30. So, ma'am, the student understood that it's 30.
Oh my God. Obviously, they
just
have an heart attack.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Because from 13.
Yes,
Good
bacha.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Good
Asha.
afternoon.
You will share something. Ma'am, you will share something.
How are you, ma'am?
Ma'am, yes, tab has joined.
Beta, first of all, I would like to, correct you people for the diagram part. There were many of the students were there. First of all, those who are not attending the classes regularly, they will not be given marks in the internal papers. They will be given 0. This is for sure.
Ma'am,
Internal means your marks, no, for the attendance
no
part,
copy.
for the attendance and discipline part that you have to give. That you will get 0.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am very disciplined.
Those who are not attending, right? I have a proper thorough record of those who are attending the
Excuse
classes.
me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, from few days I was not attending because I was not well.
Beta, my concern is for those children who have not even attended a single class. I am concerned about them.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can I ask you something?
What are you saying?
Excuse me.
Ji,
Ma'am,
bache.
can I ask something?
Yes.
Joined was Mamta ma'am was there when you have joined?
Mamta ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, when you have joined.
No, Mamta ma'am was not there. In the meeting?
No, ma'am, when you have joined the school.
Ma'am,
when you just joined the school.
Ma'am, who is Mamta, ma'am?
You know what?
Ma'am, I know.
What you
Good
know?
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Beta, when I joined that time, Mamta ma'am was
Good
not there.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Okay.
afternoon. Bachche. Why are you
Excuse
asking?
me, ma'am.
Ji beta,
Ma'am, she taught me in second class.
she taught you in second class. In which school? Mother of Sindhya or in SR International? In SR only, no? Okay, fine. That's good.
Ma'am, Smriti ma'am told us then that time that when she joined that time you and Mamta ma'am was also there. That's why we were asking.
Because when Smriti ma'am joined, at that time, of course, Mamta ma'am was there. But when I joined, Mamta ma'am was not there, beta, at that time. She joined quite late. Right? Okay.
Ma'am, how many? Ma'am,
Ma'am,
how
are
many
we
years of
discussing the
teaching?
paper today?
Yes, beta,
Ma'am, how
not on, we are discussing a very important part of the paper, that is the diagram.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. I want you people to listen to it quietly, and whatever your queries are, you will ask them after I finish with my part. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Fine. Hmm. Fine. Beta, there were two diagrams in the question paper, right?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
there was a choice.
Ma'am, there was a choice.
Ma'am, there is choice. And
There was a choice. There was a choice. I agree. One was composition.
Yes, ma'am. And
Ma'am.
second was reliance of the earth.
Ma'am, Nishu is saying, ma'am, that she is not able to unmute her mic and open her camera. Ma'am, this happens with the students sometimes. So, ma'am, she is rejoined.
No issues. She can rejoin. See, one was composition of atmosphere,
Yes.
right? Composition of air was there, and realms of earth, right?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
if
Yes,
you have to
bacha.
admit the participants, ma'am, you can make the host your laptop and you can give permission to screen share.
What? I can do what?
Ma'am, you can give permission to
Ma'am,
your
this is the
ma'am.
one
You
I
can
do
make
with
host to
the
your
exam.
laptop and you
Huh?
can give permission, ma'am, to screen share, ma'am. So that will be okay, ma'am, because it is a problem that admit.
Okay,
Ma'am, what you are telling me, sir?
fine. Now see, realms of earth. Many of these students, the diagram was like this: 1, 2, and 3, right? All the three spheres that we have, they are interconnected, right?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we are interconnected.
Ji
ma'am,
beta,
I'm connecting with another device.
please connect. See, this red part is biosphere, right?
Okay.
Right, class?
Yes.
Yes.
Then we have this green, right?
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Then we have this yellow,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And then we have this blue. Right? This is how your diagram should look like. Am I clear?
But the colors are different.
But ma'am, my colors are different.
Colors are different. That hardly
Yes,
matters.
ma'am, my
Colors are,
colors are
beta.
also-
See, don't go for the colors. Colors I have made so that you can identify which is which sphere. Okay? जैसे If I take this white, okay, now let this yellow one be the atmosphere, blue one as hydrosphere, and the green one as lithosphere, right? HLA is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now, this is the actual diagram that you were supposed to draw. But how children have drawn, you know, I will show you. They have made it like this. Now tell me, do I need to give marks?
Not by this.
Beta, nahi.
Not by this.
Listen. I am
Mama
not
face.
Beta, 1 minute. I am talking about most of the children, those who have drawn like this. There are many, those who have drawn exactly the way it should be, but there are the percentage of those who have drawn like this is more. Now tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
at which side you have written H at the blue? Ma'am, at that side I have written lithosphere.
बेटा वो उसमें हम देख ही नहीं रहे हैं, हम तो ये कह रहे हैं कि ये जो 3 सर्कल्स हैं आपके, ये एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़े हुए होने चाहिए, क्योंकि जो जिसकी हम बात करते हैं बायोस्फीयर की, जो रियल्म्स ऑफ अर्थ हैं, जब आपका हाइड्रोस्फीयर, लिथोस्फीयर और एटमॉस्फेयर जब एक दूसरे के कांटेक्ट में आता है, क्लोज कांटेक्ट में, तब जाके बायोस्फीयर बनता है. यही तो पढ़ा है हमने,
Yes, ma'am.
राइट? तो ये आप कहीं पे एटमॉस्फेयर लिखो, कहीं पे बायोस्फीयर लिखो, दिस हार्डली मेक्स एनी डिफरेंस. द डिफरेंस इज the problem with the diagrams that many of the students have drawn is this, that they are writing biosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere, but there is no connection showing between hydrosphere, atmosphere and lithosphere. So the problem, those who have drawn it like this, I have not given any marks, 0 straight away I have given, right? And many of
I made an interconnection. Ma'am, half circle. Ma'am, I joined it with biosphere. Ma'am,
I
half
am not
circle was
asking,
hydro-
beta, listen. I am not asking how an individual has drawn. I am talking, my concern is that many of you have not understood the concept. When I have made you learn this, I told you when all the 3 spheres come in close contact. See, this is how they come in close contact, and then only the biosphere is formed. See, hydrosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere together bring, environment for the survival of the living beings. If this contact, close contact is not there, it is not possible for the living things to survive, right? The way it is given in the second, see, this is the first and this is the second diagram. Second diagram has no contact. The atmosphere is individual, hydrosphere is individual, and lithosphere is individual. And biosphere is somewhere in between. तो ये डायग्राम जिसने भी ऐसा बनाया है, it is wrong. No marks are to be assigned for this kind of diagram. Some have made it like this. I am showing you.
Ma'am, can I?
Beta, wait.
Can I show what I have drawn?
Because some children have made it like this. अब इसमें ये 3 स्फेयर्स तो आपस में मिल रहे हैं, पर ये वाला पोर्शन है, इसका क्या होगा? ये तो खाली हो गया ना, बेकार चला गया ये. तो दिस इज रॉन्ग. अगेन, आपने अगर बायोस्फीयर ऐसे लिया है, तो आपको ऐसे, और अगर ऐसे भी आपने बनाया है अपना डायग्राम, लिथोस्फेयर, हाइड्रोस्फेयर एंड एटमॉस्फेयर और ये बायोस्फेयर, तब भी ये ठीक है, क्योंकि जब ये सर्कल्स पूरे होंगे तो ये बायोस्फेयर जो है कांटेक्ट में आ ही रहा है.
Ma'am, I have drawn like this only.
हाँ, तो जिन्होंने ऐसा बनाया है, दिस इज करेक्ट. मार्क्स आर गिवन फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ डायग्राम एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ डायग्राम. ठीक है, पर ये जो 2 तरीके के डायग्राम्स है, इनमें मार्क्स नहीं है. ठीक है, कावे, पुट इट डाउन. इट इज ओके बेटा, पुट इट डाउन. I hope I am clear, class. I hope I am clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now coming to the composition of air. Many students have drawn the diagram, right? They have written 1%, they have written 21%, they have written 74%, some have written 78, some have written 71. Though these are wrong, 78% is correct. But they have not written that which air is 78%, which air is 21%, sorry, which gas is 21%, which gas is 78% and which gases are 1%.
Ma'am, we have to label the diagram or ma'am show the answer.
Beta, you were supposed to do it this way. See, if it is 21% oxygen, 1% other gases, 78% nitrogen. So those who have not labeled the diagram, 0 I have given. I have not given any marks to them. अब देखो आप मुझे मत, कोई नहीं बताएगा who has done what. Fine. And many of these students, they have not read the chapter thoroughly. Reason being, when we were revising, I clearly told you, whatever the question is, you need to answer in that way only. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस ऐसे थे बच्चा जो आप लोगों ने पढ़ तो लिए, हमने क्लास में रिवाइज भी करे, बट आपने उनके आंसर्स अब टू द पॉइंट नहीं लिखे हैं. सो नो मार्क्स हैव बीन असाइन्ड. And don't expect me to give you additional or extra marks for the same. Continuously I told you, regularly I told you, for I think 3-4 times we revised also the same chapter. सब कुछ पूछा गया बेटा, सब कुछ कराया क्लास में, फिर भी आप लोगों ने इतना I am not talking about everyone. I am talking about few of the students who have not attempted their paper up to the mark, right? So in case when you get the marks and you say that, ma'am, I did that, I have done this, I have done that, I have told you your loopholes, your drawbacks, I have told you, no, where did you go wrong in the diagram part? Fine?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please tell our marks?
What
Ma'am,
Sandhya?
Nishu is saying that I have rejoined, but it is not connecting, and ma'am has let me in also.
हाँ मैंने आने दिया, पर वो कनेक्ट, वो कई बार पता है बेटा टाइम लग जाता है, हो सकता है नेटवर्क इश्यूज होते हैं, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हार्डली मेक्स एनी डिफरेंस. ओके
Ma'am, have you checked the answer sheets of our?
Beta, I have checked for all the 3 sections, more than 75% of the papers. All are not checked because as the PDFs are coming, I am checking them. I am not specifying on a particular section or a particular class, right? Because your papers came on the mail, as they came, I am checking that. Okay, I think next week I will be in a position to tell you your marks. Because by tomorrow, if I check it, fine, I'll tell you, otherwise next week. Okay? Right, class?
Yes,
Ma'am, I will, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Daksh, say it. What
Ma'am,
is
next time I will do like this only.
हाँ बेटा देखो, मैम ने क्लास में कितना क्लियर इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया था कि आप ऐसे करिएगा, आप वैसे करिएगा. नहीं, इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी टू कलर द डायग्राम्स. बिल्कुल नहीं है नेसेसरी. हमने कहा था अगर आप कलर यूज करते हो तो आपको स्पेसिफाई कर दो, वो कलर्स यूज करिएगा जो मैच करे. जैसे लिथोस्फेयर के लिए यू कुड हैव यूज्ड ब्राउन कलर, फॉर हाइड्रोस्फेयर यू कुड हैव यूज्ड ब्लू कलर, फॉर द एटमॉस्फेयर यू कुड हैव यूज्ड व्हिच कलर?
Yellow.
येलो.
light gray. Ma'am, light gray.
ग्रे कर सकते हो, येलो कर सकते हो, ऑरेंज कर सकते हो. ठीक है,
Ma'am, orange.
ठीक है.
Ma'am, for lithosphere, I have done orange color.
But coloring was not mandatory because I did not specify that you have to color the diagram. और बेटा एक चीज और, composition of earth में भी कलर नहीं करना था. I told you when you are drawing the diagram, make sure that you are doing it
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
my voice. I am not saying anything. Now is it coming? See,
Yes.
Yes.
when I told you, if you get a diagram question, draw a proper margin, and in the box you could have drawn the diagram. It would have added beauty to your diagram, right? Is it not looking good?
Yes,
And on the
ma'am.
top you could have
Yes.
labeled it realms of earth, right? कोई भी सिंबल आप बना देते, कोई जरूरी थोड़ी है कि आपको कलर ही करना है.
Ma'am, will my marks will be cut it?
What?
Ma'am, I have not made the box. Ma'am, will my marks be cutted?
Your marks will not be deducted for any of the reasons.
Thank you, ma'am.
But what I am just telling you is, next time in future, be careful when you have diagrams, because geography is all about diagrams. And when diagrams are there in the exams, you need to make them such neat and tidy that the person who is checking gets impressed by your work, is bound to give you extra marks, right?
Ma'am, will you give us extra marks?
अरे बाबा, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू कि इतना अच्छा हमें काम करना चाहिए कि सामने वाला जो है मजबूर हो जाए, बाध्य हो जाए
Ma'am,
टू गिव यू एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स. वो अलग बात है कि अगर नहीं दे पाता है, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग, बट देन आपको अपना काम इतना परफेक्ट देना
Yes,
चाहिए.
ma'am.
ठीक है, इतना परफेक्ट
Ma'am, I
देना चाहिए.
haven't got extra marks.
I have not
Ma'am,
given
we have to
extra
do-
marks to anybody. हाँ, what we have to do, tell.
ma'am, we have to do it very neat. Ma'am, diagram so Shashi ma'am will give more marks.
Ma'am,
No, Shashi ma'am will be bound to give you full marks. See, if you will draw your diagrams neat and tidy, especially in sciences and in, SST geography particularly, if you draw your diagrams neatly, teacher will be bound to give you marks. Teacher will not be able to deduct your marks from anywhere, neither the neatness part nor the labeling part, right? And presentation of course matters a lot. अगर आपको खाना ऐसे ही फैला के दे दिया जाए और कायदे से ना दिया जाए, तो क्या आपका खाने का मन करेगा? नहीं मन करेगा ना.
No,
अगर
ma'am.
उसको अच्छे से जो है डिस्प्ले करा जाए, तब भूख बढ़ जाती है. खाने का डिस्प्ले,
Ma'am, that's we have to do in this subject.
आपको प्रेजेंटेशन अच्छा रखना है बेटा अपने काम का. यस हमद.
Ma'am, will my marks get deducted if I haven't put it in the box?
नहीं बेटा, just now I told you, no, I will not deduct marks for not putting in box, but next time of course I will do that. This time it is an excuse. Next time no excuses will be entertained. चलिए, we will start with the new chapter of geography.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, my dear, please say it.
Ma'am, I cannot send my geography work as my second number is not added in that group and my that number phone screen is not working.
बोलो, I could not send my work. I cannot नहीं, I could not.
Yes, ma'am, I could not send work.
Ma'am, I have to tell you something.
Okay, just a second. Elements of weather and climate.
Ma'am, today you are not using real board. Real
I am
whiteboard.
not, but I am using a board which is easily accessible to me. And you people also don't face any problem in saying, ma'am, little closer, little back, ma'am, sideways, left side, right side, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, I have to tell you
Yes.
something.
So this virtual board is quite helpful in making you understand and making you write. Okay?
Ma'am, I have to tell you something.
Satisfying.
Yes, Kavya, what you have to tell, please tell, beta.
Ma'am, I have to tell that when I was in 4th class, ma'am, I got my full marks in SST in annual. Ma'am, 80 out of 80.
Your voice is not clear, Kavya. We come
Yes,
close.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Ah.
when I was in 4th class, ma'am, in the annual exams, ma'am, I scored full marks in socials.
Okay.
Ma'am, 80 out of 80.
Very good. That's very nice. So I expect the same in the
Ma'am,
UP.
and in 3rd class, ma'am, I scored 79.
कोई बात नहीं. Ups and downs are part of life, no?
Ma'am,
चलिए.
even the last year. Ma'am, even last year also, I scored 79.
Okay. This year you will score 80 on 80, 100 on 100.
Ma'am,
Okay.
80 out of 80.
हाँ.
Yes,
You
sir.
will.
Ma'am, I
All
always
of you will score. See, all of you will score if you will follow the guidelines of your subject teachers, right?
Ma'am, Shashi ma'am guidelines.
No, all the subject teachers, all the subject teachers, beta. Why only me? All subject teachers.
Ma'am, I am talking about geography subject.
Okay, got it. Thumbs up. Fine.
Excuse me,
Now,
ma'am.
yes, beta, Kanak.
Ma'am, we will not do the flowcharts of the 4th chapter.
I think we have done.
Ma'am, we have done only two, that is troposphere and stratosphere.
Beta, if you could show it to me, what exactly we have done. Question answer for this chapter are done or not? Chapter 4.
Ma'am,
Yes.
fully done.
Yes, ma'am. Well done.
Fine. I have told you to draw the diagrams also, no, if you remember.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. 2 diagrams.
2 diagrams are there, and I shared the pictures also of those diagrams with you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah,
Very
ma'am.
Wait, better. Let us start with chapter 5, and no more further flowcharts for chapter 4. Only those 2 we will do. And when we are revising that chapter, no, during the revision I will give you the flowcharts. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Now coming to, you know what is the weather? How is the weather today? Can you tell?
Ma'am, partially cloud.
It's cloudy.
Ma'am, cloudy.
Ma'am, in my area there is
Partially
raining
cloudy.
before.
Okay. If I say weather, some are saying partially. It is partly cloudy, right? Some say
Yes, ma'am.
it is.
Yes,
Some
ma'am.
say it is raining. Some
Yes.
say it is raining.
It's partially cloudy.
Some are saying it is pleasant.
And ma'am, some are saying cold.
Some are saying cold. Oh my God. Who is saying
Ma'am,
cold?
I am
Partially cloud.
Ma'am, how
Ma'am,
can it be cold?
September
has not even arrived and how it could be cold.
See, this is the
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
feeling
Ma'am, yesterday after day.
hot.
ma'am, due at the night.
Ma'am, I'm feeling cold. Ma'am, I'm cold.
Ma'am, hot.
Ma'am, due to raining, there is something cold and I have wear the full shirt.
Okay.
Ma'am, not well.
I got disconnected.
Who got disconnected?
Ma'am, I got disconnected.
Acha, koi baat nahi, bache. It is fine. Now see, when we say weather, we are basically talking about the conditions of a place during that particular time, right? Right? Thumbs up. All of you will show your thumbs up when you have understood this. Okay? Very good. Thumbs up.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, we have to underline something.
No, you don't have to underline anything. I will tell you when to underline. When I say understood, you all will be showing your thumbs up. Okay?
Ma'am.
Fine. Now, see, weather is something that tells you about the conditions of a place at a particular time. Right? Thumbs up. Right? Now, when we say weather, very good. Weather never remains. See, weather never remains constant.
Hands down.
Weather, now you can put your hands down. Weather is always changing at a place, right? It does not remain the same. Like if I talk about yesterday, yesterday it was very humid, very hot.
Ma'am, at night
Ma'am.
it was very rainy.
Oh, ma'am, cold.
Ma'am,
Yesterday I'm talking about afternoon.
yes,
Beta,
ma'am.
yesterday-
And ma'am, at night started raining.
Listen,
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
but in my area there is cloud in
Beta,
afternoon.
Daksh, I will mute
Ma'am,
you
you can
all.
mute all.
Mute all कर दे? नहीं नहीं रहने
Yes,
दो.
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
See, a class looks
ma'am.
looks nice when there is a interaction. Okay, so I don't want to mute you people. Just listen to what I am telling, and afterwards you give your reactions to it. Okay, like if I talk about yesterday afternoon, it was hot and humid, but by evening the weather became pleasant.
And ma'am, started raining
And
also.
in the night, it was raining.
And then something colder due to
Right?
rain.
There were thunderstorms also. Lightning was also taking place.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
So weather does not remain. Weather
Does not remain same.
does not remain same
For long
for
time.
long duration.
Ma'am, my screen is coming late, slow.
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. तो वेदर, जब हम वेदर की बात करते हैं, सॉरी वेदर में एच नहीं आता है, आता है, ठीक है, WATHER, weather. Now, see, when a place has similar weather conditions for a longer duration,
Yes, ma'am.
then it is called climate of that place. फिर वो क्या कहलाता है? Climate of that place. Is this understood? Thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. Very good. See, in this chapter, we are going to read that what are those elements which affect the weather and the climate. The basic elements that are taken in consideration for the weather and climate of a place. It is the temperature, then pressure. Here we are talking about the atmospheric pressure. ठीक है? Atmospheric pressure, then the winds. ठीक है?
Humidity.
See, this chapter has lot of diagrams. You will love drawing them, and I would love checking your notebooks.
Yes, ma'am. We love
Humidity.
that.
Yes. Then the humidity. हमारे air में कितना moisture है? That is called the humidity. The presence of moisture in the air is called as humidity. Right? Right? Atmospheric pressure का मतलब होता है, atmospheric pressure का मतलब होता है जब हम सी लेवल से ऊपर उठते हैं तो एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर क्या होता है? वो डिक्रीज होता जाता है. ठीक है? देन प्रेसिपिटेशन. व्हाट इज प्रेसिपिटेशन? रेनफॉल, बारिश जिसको हम कहते हैं, दैट इज प्रेसिपिटेशन. ठीक है? देन द सनशाइन एंड द क्लाउड ओवर, सॉरी क्लाउड कवर. किसी भी okay, I hope these elements are clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, now coming to these elements one by one. अच्छा चलो, अगर हम आपसे पूछते हैं what are the elements of weather and climate, Arshia, what will you say?
Ma'am, the elements of weather and climate are temperature, precipitation, pressure, wind, humidity, sunshine, and cloud cover.
And the cloud cover. Very good. Now, what is this temperature? Do you know, class?
Mom, can I?
Yes.
Mom, temperature is the means that how cold or the degree of the hotness
Temperature
or
means,
coldness.
temperature means that in the atmosphere, how hot or the cold degrees are there. Suppose during the months of May, June, जब हम टेम्परेचर की बात करते हैं इन द मंथ ऑफ मे एंड जून, तो आप देखो टेम्परेचर ऑलमोस्ट 35 से 40 डिग्रीज के बीच में ही रहता है, बिटवीन दिस. रीजन बीइंग ये वो टाइम होता है जिसमें जो समर का टाइम होता है, और इसमें जो हमारा जो सन है वो डायरेक्टली जो है आपका नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फेयर की तरफ जो है उसका डायरेक्शन होता है. जो अर्थ की जो पोजीशन है वो नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फेयर की तरफ टिल्टेड होती है, तो इसलिए जो है नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फेयर के जितने भी लोग हैं वो एक्सट्रीम हॉट कंडीशंस को एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं. एम आई क्लियर?
Ma'am, like
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. हाँ, somebody was saying something.
ma'am, that's why there is very sun in my own tune.
There is very what?
Ma'am, hot.
Anji.
When we use AC, ice cream to eat, cold water.
But ACs are not good for health, my dear children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
know this or not?
Ma'am, and for environment also.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
But still, the lifestyles have become such that we cannot survive without ACs.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Ma'am,
In
Air
every home,
conditioner.
not good for us, ma'am, but
We can survive.
these which are environment friendly.
Yeah, I have seen children saying this. It is very hot. I don't want to go out. Let us sit in the AC room only. Why to go? Why to waste time unnecessarily? Why to bear the scorching heat of the sun? There are children those who
And
say,
we should take.
huh?
Ma'am, we should go out in one night.
Okay, very good. Fine. Temperature is clear to everyone. The temperature of the atmosphere is defined as the degree of hotness or coldness of the air. Okay? Now, how do you get to know that the temperature is high or low? Through the
thermometer.
Anemometer.
थ्रू थर्मामीटर. ठीक है, अभी हम एनीमोमीटर पे भी
मैम
आएंगे.
डिजिटल थर्मामीटर, क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर.
ए बाबा कितना क्विक है दक्ष भाई. जो थर्मामीटर होता है वो हमें बताता है कि टेम्परेचर को हम कैसे मेजर करें. ठीक है, अब जो टेम्परेचर की जो डिग्रीज होती हैं वो आपकी दो स्केल्स में हम उसको करते हैं. पहला स्केल होता है
केल्विन, फ़ारेनहाइट.
हाँ
Ma'am, Kelvin is also there.
Ma'am, Celsius,
Degree Celsius,
Celsius, Fahrenheit, and ma'am Kelvin.
ma'am, Kelvin also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, currently we have learned this chapter in science.
Okay, that is why, just like, you know, Rattu Totas, you are telling me this. Very good. Nice to know that you actually
Ma'am,
learned
today
many
we were
things.
doing the question answers of this chapter.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
So thermometer, very good. Thermometer, you know, there are different scales for measuring the temperature. We have Fahrenheit, we have Celsius or centigrade, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now, let me just see that how much time we are left with. Accordingly, I will.
Ma'am, just 3 minutes.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
25 seconds.
So we will be able to complete this temperature wala thing. Now, see, we all know that sun is the main source of heat and light on the earth, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, see, the radiation that is received by the sun is called as solar radiation, right? Right?
Yes,
You must have also learned about insolation. You know what is insolation, class?
Ma'am, I think insulation is related to insulator.
No.
Ma'am, we have not learned insulation.
Beta, insolation is the amount of heat received by the sun. Solar radiation जो होती है वो आपकी sun की heat जो है वो earth के surface पर लेके आती है. Sun rays जो होती है they fall on the surface of the earth, and the amount of heat that is received by the sun is called the insolation. I hope this is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. Now, the amount of insolation that reaches the surface, it depends upon the inclination of the sun and the duration of the daylight. Sun जो है कितना inclined है towards, suppose this is sun. Sun जो है जब हम लोग northern hemisphere, जब अर्थ का नॉर्दर्न पार्ट जो है जब सन को फेस करता है तो सन इंक्लाइंड होता है टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फेयर, राइट? ठीक है, होता है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
वी ऑल नो कि इक्वेटर पे जो हमारा इक्वेटर है, इक्वेटर पे सन की जो रेज है वो डायरेक्ट होती है, right? The sun rays they fall directly on the equator. तो इक्वेटर पे जो भी प्लेसेस है वहां पे एक्सट्रीम